Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. It's a real pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're having a hard day, going through some struggles, feeling alone, feeling like nobody cares, feeling angry at yourself, angry at others, feeling restless, agitated, depressed, insecure about a relationship, about work, about school, feeling despair, disappointment, feeling hopelessness, or perhaps even joyfulness. Know that you're not alone, my friend. Not on an island, but deeply interconnected to the human experience of suffering and joy, peace and agony, and everything in between. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to our awareness, which goes beyond the fluctuations of happiness and sadness and fear. Becoming aware of something that goes beyond the thought process, the emotions that come and go. Getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware of how you're sat, bringing consciousness to your whole body, witnessing and welcoming your inner world. Close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly. You're safe to close the eyes, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. And taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale. With awareness, breathing in. Exhale, letting go of stress. Breathing in love. And exhale, letting go of fear. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into faith and the unfolding of life. Coming back into trust and the intelligence that moves through all situations. Trusting that you're in good hands. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your forehead, taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale even slower, even softer. Breathing in harmony. And exhale, letting go of inner conflict. Breathing in beauty. And exhale, feeling yourself beautiful. Flaws and all. You know, my friends, sometimes the flaws that we have and the mistakes that we make can be very beautiful in its own way. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Letting go of old wounds. It's a new moment. The past is past. It's gone. Breathing in presence. And exhale, feeling the gift of awareness. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Relaxing the belly, opening your heart, and looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Now I want you to continue to look inside while allowing your mind to be totally free. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, let go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy you would join me today. So kind of you to join me in this special way. I know that we're not perfect, but we try each day to become more aware, to become more whole, feeling ourselves enough. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Letting go of any mistakes that have been made. Letting go of being ashamed. Letting go of being guilty. Letting go of being so hard on yourself. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, feeling more love. Breathing in peacefulness. Holding that at the top. Feeling your whole body with peace. Very tranquil energy coursing through the body. And exhaling that to your space. Becoming aware of your posture as you breathe in and breathe out. The color for today is gray. The number is 60. And the animal is a cow. Again, one last deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. Continuing to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale. I thank you for joining me today, my dear friend. I'm sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love for yourself, for people, for difficult circumstances. Recognizing that the difficult circumstances that we encounter are not against us. They're really like blessings in disguise. I have this saying that misfortune is just a fortune misunderstood. So when we can bring understanding to what we perceive as something misfortunate, we can transmute that into a blessing. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.